Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that belongs to the world of chemical sciences. It's a harmful substance for humans and can cause various health issues, including cancer, with prolonged exposure. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as benzene, benzene, benzene. Benzene. Benzene is a composition of individual words, benzo, referring to the benzene ring, and the suffix -ene, indicating the presence of a double bond. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about benzene, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.